What's up, guys? Welcome to Outskirts Workroom. My name's Kelly Gorsuch. Today I'm going to talk to you about combs. I'm only going to talk to you about combs that I actually use in the salon every day. There's a million combs out there. These are the ones I prefer. I'm only going to talk about on this channel the things that I know about, so we're going to leave everything else, and I'm just going to describe to you what I use every day in the salon and why, and what techniques and tricks and tips and stuff that I might have for you regarding these combs. Alright guys, here's my combs. This is a hard rubber comb. Pretty much only use this for detangling. Doesn't have a lot of bend to it. It's a nice comb, but nothing much to talk about. This is my fade comb. I use this when I'm cutting men's hair, when I'm blending in the fade on the sides. It's a soft, flexible rubber. Pretty straightforward, soft teeth. This is a plastic version of the comb that I usually use. This is a 285 Utsumi BW comb. I really like this comb. It's super flexible though. It has a tendency to tangle in the hair. I almost never use this side, almost always this side. We'll talk about it on the next comb. This is my bread and butter. This is the Utsumi 285 carbon graphite comb. I almost never use this side unless it's super fine hair. I'll use this side more often on thicker hair. Basically, almost all of the shapes that I live in, I cut on this side. So this is my everyday bread and butter comb. Now this is my dry cutting comb. I'm doing all my wet cuts with the other one. This is my dry cutting comb. I'm basically only living on this side. I so rarely, maybe once a year, twice a year, use this bigger side, if that. And there's not a lot to say about it. It allows me to hold the hair with tension when I'm dry cutting, but get through it at the same time without tangling. I love this comb. It's super hard, it's graphite, and it's gonna get through those tangles pretty quickly. I hold the comb pretty soft, so I tend to drop it a little bit. But these are my bread and butter combs. These are the combs you'll see me using on the videos. These are the combs that I like swear by and live by and use every single day of my career. Thank you for stopping by Outskirts Workroom. We really appreciate you guys letting us be a small part of your journey towards hairdressing mastery. Do us a favor, if you love our content and you love what we're doing here, please hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Workroom community. Appreciate it and see you next time.